Hello, we're going to be making a video today, and this video will cover notes on installing and starting Eagle on the Lehigh ECE Teaching Lab Linux platform. I make notes like this in order to help me remember how I got things to work and why I did things, and this is one of those help me to remember type videos. We're going to look at basically two things. We're going to look at the script that runs Eagle, the Eagle software. Eagle is software that's used in electrical engineering made by CadSoft. We're going to take a look at two errors you may get regarding load library modules and how to fix those particular errors, I should say. Okay, first thing we'll do is we're going to go and take a look at the script that runs Eagle or invokes Eagle when you run it from the command line. I've done an SSH with X Windows forwarding into a server called bola.cc.lehigh.edu. The Eagle invocation script is kept at user/local/bin. Got my N there. And you'll see we have some software called Eagle. Let's take a look at that. Excuse me. One of the things that we ran into was we're running version 6.6 and there's a version 7.0 out now, but we're locking in at 6.6 because we have dozens and dozens of machines that we have to put the software on. So we're locking down at version 6.6 for this coming academic year. Because there's a new version 7 out, every time you start Eagle, it comes up, or at least the first time you start Eagle, it comes up and asks if you want to upgrade your software. And what we're doing is, on the various platforms, is we're stopping that do you want to update box from coming up. There can be some complexities if you create a schematic in a newer version of Eagle, and the schematic might not work in the older version of Eagle. So we don't want people using above 6.6 if they can help it. The complexity I ran into on the Linux platform is I didn't see a way to shut that pop-up box asking about the updates off on the first invocation of Eagle. And so once you invoke it, what happens is it creates a .eaglerc file in the home directory, and then thereafter it won't ask for the update. So what I'm doing is I'm saying if the .eaglerc file exists, or actually I'm saying if the eaglerc file does not exist, go ahead and create an eagle.rc file in the home directory. If the file exists, you're just going to skip the what's in this if statement. After the if statement, it invokes the Eagle binary that starts the Eagle program. Okay, so that's how we're running stuff from the script. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type Eagle and see if it will run, and it's telling me that I don't have a load library module, and this is the load library module it's saying that I don't have. And what I'm doing to fix this is I have to go into root, and then I'll go to /user/lib, and then what I do at /user/lib, it's looking for libssl.so.1.0.0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a symbolic link, and the the symbolic link will go to libssl.so.1.0.1e .1e, and I'm going to have this file point to the file I just typed, libssl.so.1.0.0. And now let me do a ls long listing on libssl.so.1.0.0, and now it's pointing to the existing load library module for libssl that seems to work. So I'm going to exit out of here, and now I'm going to try and run Eagle again. Okay, well, the good thing is it didn't complain about the libssl module. We've got another module here that it looks like it can't find, and that's the libcrypto.so.1.0.0. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go back into root, and go back into /user/lib, and we're going to make a symbolic link. So ln and the -s means symbolic, and we know that there's I know that there's something called libcrypto.so.1.0.1e in Red Hat. Oh, by the way, this is CentOS we're running, but it's a Red Hat variant, and this works for Red Hat 6.x installations. So, and then we're going to tell this symbolic link to point to the file that we just typed. Okay, and if I did that right. And I missed an O. I hope that's all it is. Okay, so I'm going to actually delete that symbolic link because I made a mistake. That sometimes happens when I'm talking. Yeah, I misspelled the word crypto for the file name. So let me use my up arrow. I think this is going to do it. So I'm going to make the symbolic link to libcrypto.so.1.0.1e. Okay, there, that worked. And we'll do exit. And now we'll see if Eagle runs. I'm expecting it to run now. Okay, great. Here's the Eagle program now running and ready to go. Okay, I hope this was helpful, and thanks a lot for listening.